Imagine a world where your advertisements are not just seen, but truly experienced. Picture a platform where your creativity knows no bounds, where your ideas come to life in a whirl of color and motion. This, dear marketers, is no mere fantasy. Today we delve into the world of Motion Ads Reloaded, the revolutionary platform that's changing the face of digital advertising as we know it. In the bustling realm of digital marketing, the challenge to stand out from the crowd is real and relentless. Traditional ads with their static images and predictable patterns are losing their charm and effectiveness. The need of the hour? A fresh, dynamic approach. Enter Motion Ads Reloaded. Motion Ads Reloaded is not just a tool, it's a revolution. It's an innovative platform that takes your advertising game to uncharted territories. It's about making your ads not just visible, but unforgettable. It's about creating experiences, not just impressions. With Motion Ads Reloaded, the monotony of static images becomes a thing of the past. Instead, you get dynamic animations that leap off the screen, seizing attention and refusing to let go. Imagine the possibilities. But that's not all. Motion Ads Reloaded isn't just about looking good. It's about making things easy too. Forget the complexities of coding or design. With a user-friendly interface and simple drag-and-drop features, you're in control. Customize your ads, your way. It's like building your marketing dreams, one digital block at a time. But the magic of Motion Ads Reloaded goes beyond aesthetics and ease. It's intelligent too. The platform offers comprehensive analytics and insights, empowering you to understand your audience better and fine-tune your strategy for maximum impact. Don't just take our word for it. Users of Motion Ads Reloaded are already experiencing the difference. Their ads are not just being seen, they're being remembered. Their messages are not just being heard, they're being acted upon. Ready to step into the future of dynamic advertising? Embrace the revolution with Motion Ads Reloaded. Click the link in the description to get started today. So there you have it, the game-changing platform that's pushing the boundaries of digital advertising. Remember, it's not just about being seen, it's about being unforgettable. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and happy marketing.